Hey guys, welcome back to the Blood Highway. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the clone and fill command. So, they are pretty easy. You are going to have to use this in chat. On iPad, it's a little easier to do it than on a computer. That's just my preference. But let's just get started. Okay, I'm right here. Sorry, those things were failed. Those things were failed commands. I accidentally used a little too high. I used a little too high coordinates on that, and I forgot to fill that in whenever I was done. So first we're going to use the fill command. So what you're going to do. So if I wanted to create a floor, if I wanted to create a platform in the ground, like a floor, then just dig one block down where your feet would be right there. And you don't even have to break all the blocks of it. So you're going to look at this coordinate. Okay, so I'm about to write these down. So mine are minus 23. And it also has to have the minus in everything. And there's no commas, so don't put any commas in your notes. So I've done it. Okay, and now you go to the next spot you want to fill in with that kind of stuff. You want to fill in with the other side. So now put in those coordinates. So you can do that like this, and then put in the block, which I'm gonna do amethyst block. Then you have to do underscore block, or whatever. If it has a space, it has to be an underscore. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and you are going to be in the ground. I will show you. Just let me get. Sorry, I have to do this. This is a bad part of it. This is the bad part of iPad to do it. So I'm literally in the ground. Can't move around outside of the block, but you can jump out. But you can't get back in. That's the bad thing. But there's one thing. It's like where you can destroy all the blocks in one place. So now you just do the exact same coordinates, and then you just do air. If you want to destroy a whole place, then you can just do air, which I'm going to do the same things. Okay, so if you want to destroy a lot of blocks without you having to do anything like that, then just type in air, and then boom. I'm going to fill that back in with grass. Sorry, I just don't want there to be a giant hole in my world. Okay, so I'm going to do it in a fast forward. There. So I'm done with that. And I am going to use that fill command on this because this looks horrible. Okay. Well, now onto the clone command. Okay, so let's get here. So now what you have to do is go to the top side of your, go to the top corner of your building, break 2 blocks down like this, and then look at those coordinates, write it down. Okay. I'm done now. Now you put now you go to the exact opposite part of the building. You have to go to the other corner of it, and then, so you have to destroy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, so you can get in. And now put in those coordinates into your notes. Okay. Now this is going to be a big clone. Now, I gotta go far away. So now your first coordinates up there, now you have to use, so you have to go to those exact coordinates. So in my thing, I would go right here, and be right here, and so just stay right here. So it's on 11. Now, wherever you want to spawn it. So the first place is going to be right there. And so the first coordinates are going to be the place you stand in. And you're still going to have to fill in the blocks where you're right there. So I'm going to do 129. This. Okay. There, I did that. Now you just type all 3 of those coordinates in. So now clone, like that. And then now put those coordinates. Okay, now whenever you type that, it's going to take a little bit because I have a giant thing. Oh gosh, so it's actually the last coordinates. So this whole thing is 45,900 blocks, so I built that much. But it's actually the second coordinates where it does. Okay, well, that was kind of weird. Like, I thought it was the first coordinates that spawned like that. But, well, that is the video for today. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications to see more videos come out. Bye!